Meaning of George Herbert.
George Herbert.
George Herbert.
George Herbert.
George Herbert. George Herbert was an English poet and Anglican priest who lived in the 17th century. He is known for his metaphysical poetry, which often explores themes of religion, spirituality, and morality. His most famous work is The Temple, a collection of poems that reflect on the Christian faith. Herbert's poetry is characterized by its use of paradox, wit, and intricate imagery. He is considered one of the most influential religious poets in English literature. Herbert's works continue to be studied and admired today for their beauty, depth, and insight into the human experience.